Om Sri Matre Namah. I am Dr. Kullur Krishnaiyer from Mugambika Devasthanam. Today's Panjangam, 30th January 2026, Thai Masam 16th, Friday, Vishwasnama Samvalsaram, Uttarayanam, Hemandrado, Thai Masam, that is Magara Masam, Shukla Paksham, Tithi up to 10 a.m., Dasha, Dwadashi, then Trayodashi, Bhriguvasaram, that is Friday, Nakshatram up to 3:07 a.m. Tiruvadirai, then Punarpusham. Today's Rahu Alam 10:30 to 12 noon, Yamagandam 3 to 4:30 p.m. Guligalam 7:30 to 9 a.m. Good time 6 to 7:30 a.m. and 5 to 6 p.m. Chandrashtam for Vrishchiga Rashi, Prayachittam Jangiri, Sradha Tithi Trayodashi. Om Sri Matre Namah. Today Pradosham.